This video we will introduce our the stone cncrouter with laser head and with the 4-axis rotary system. It is a multifunctional machine for stone material. Machine has two control systems. One is the DSP control system. The model number is A18 for 4-axis control, and the other control system is for laser control system. By the laser head, we can engrave the engraving in the tomb, like engraving, carving the sample of human portrait, human pictures, and we can letter carving. And by the DSP control system, we can use the spindle. This is a 5.5 kilowatt spindle, water cooling spindle for the stone engraving. For the stone carving, there are two modes. One is the relief, the flat material engraving, and we can fix the material by the T-slot. And the other working mode is by the 4-axis control system. This is a rotary system. We can clamp the material in this phase to realize the 4-axis 3-dimensional carving for the stone material. This laser head, the laser tube, the kilowatt is 80 kilowatts laser tube.